Westerly heavy rainfall possible overnight. Lows in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the evening, becoming 5 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. The chance of rain 70%, decreasing to 50%. Monday, partly sunny, breezy. The chance of severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for y'all. Eastern Top, North Central, Delray, and Eastern Logan counties until 5 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar continues to indicate a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles north of Oregon, or 14 miles northwest of Mount Howe, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the prospective severe thunderstorm include Danville, Subiaco, Stonehouse Recreation Area, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Mount Macleod, Gravelly, Goose Valley, Cove Lake, Blue Mountain Lake, Wings Waveland, Walbrook, Union Hill, Spring Lake Campground, Sims, Rover, Ranger, Wolio. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Monday evening for northeastern Arkansas. Destructive hit. The National Weather Tornado Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Johnson County and western Arkansas, northeastern Logan County and western Arkansas, northern Pope, POPE County in central Arkansas, northwestern Yell County in central Arkansas, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles southeast of Mount Magazine, or 12 miles northwest of Danville, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Coquitlam, Carroll, Spadra, Scranton, Rosetta, Piney Recreation Area, Mount Magazine, Mineral Springs Recreation Area, Ludwig Lake, London, Lamar, Lake Dardanelle, Knoxville, Pullman, Dover, Cove Lake, Cabin Creek Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 55 and 79. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas. Here are the latest weather conditions at 4 p.m.